Welcome everybody, Seattle 206723 here, and we're going to do another whiskey review. We've got a few bottles here in front of for everybody to take a look at. Let's start with this one. This one's a just about empty 18-year-old. You see that gold there? It's a new 18-year-old unopened from Aberlour. We have a 16-year-old Aberlour as well. We have a 12-year-old age statement Unchill-Filtered. And we have the Aberlour Abunad, which I've done a review on as well. So you've seen this one reviewed. You've seen this one reviewed, so the question is, which one am I going to review now? Well, it's going to be the 12-year-old Aberlour Unchill-Filtered. So to begin this, we're going to need a Elitist whiskey drinker's coaster to get everything going. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and get a little of this poured on into the bottle, into the glass here. Cap here. This particular whiskey is bottled at 48%. It's non-chill filtered. It's one of the great things that I read on this particular bottle was it says omitting modern chill filtering preserves intact the full flavor of the malt and adds a richer and creamier mouthfeel to the distinctive sweet, fruity, and rich flavors of Aberlour. I agree. I've tried this whiskey a few different times. I had to, give her a few drams to see what it was like, and I agree with that statement totally, 100%. The expense of this bottle isn't much. I mean, you're looking at about $60 for it. If you're looking to try a single malt whiskey that's not that expensive, then this is a very good whiskey to take a look at. I'm going to go ahead and get out the spoon here, and I'm going to give her a nice dump here of water. Give her a good spin. So, I mean, you're talking 48%. You're talking almost 100%. Proof. It's at 48, so you're looking at 96% proof on the nose. I got some fig. It's that raisin. A little bit of caramel. A little bit of apple. Spice, a little cinnamon. Typical Aberlour profile. Yeah. Very good whiskey, in my opinion. On the palate, let's see what she's like. Okay. She's still going through her finish. Dark chocolate. on that finish for sure. Fruity, little bit of nut caramel, milk chocolate, cinnamon, nutmeg on the development. Then it finishes off, which it's still completing, by the way, a dark chocolate. This is Aberlour. This is Aberlour's profile. It gives you cinnamon. It gives you fruitiness. Well balanced. Milk chocolate. Dark chocolate. A little bit of nutty taste. But with the unchilled filtering process, and at 48%, everything is richer. This is a good dram, a good whiskey. This has a place at my bar, and it's a great whiskey to start people out into the Aberlour series. I mean, I started out at the 18 and the Aberlour. I've tried the 16, and just by judging by how much which one has went down, you can tell which one, and these were brought at the same time, which one has been poured a few more times. The fullness and the richness of this particular bottle is great. This is good. It has more maturity. This has, in my opinion, a little bit more flavor, without a doubt. A little bit more, just to see if I can catch another note here. The opening notes were pretty much the same. Fruity, some nuttiness, a dash of nutmeg. I took a very little sip, so a little bit of dark chocolate, but that nutmeg and that cinnamon and that nuttiness was pronounced there at the beginning of the tongue. Well, this is Seattle 206723 with a Aberlour review of the 12-year-old Unchill-Filtered. Thank you for checking out the video, everyone, and I'm out.